Court's back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Good morning, Your Honor.
This is the People versus Jaquavis Richards, ticket number X3893568. Count one, no ops on person. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Irby.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Jaquavius Richards, who's with this court via Zoom. Mr. Richards, please state your name for the record.
Jaquavius Richards.
Yes, Your Honor, I have spoken to my client in reference to this case. He wishes to avail himself. Oh, Jaquavius. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I have spoken to my client, and he has and was able to provide me documentation to show that he does have and did have a valid, he has valid license at this time. I did view those documents.
All right, as an officer of court, if you indicate it is in fact valid.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so with that, you stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Richards. Did you have any questions?
No.
Okay, so you're all
Thank
set.
you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set. You can hang up, Mr. Richards.
Okay.
This is the People versus Alexis Darden, ticket number P1248082. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Irby.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Irby appearing on behalf of Miss Alexis Darden, who's with this court telephonically.
Say your name, Ms. Darden.
Alexis Darden.
Yes, Your Honor, I have spoken to Ms. Darden, and she wishes to avail herself of the offer offered by the prosecutor, whereas she would be pleading to a reduced charge here, amended charge of blockading, and count one would be dismissed.
All right. I'm sorry, you said your client does wish to avail herself to that offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket,
Yes, Your Honor.
and the court will amend that count to blockading, and then you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining count to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that matter is dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Darden, there is a fine of $175 that is due on July 25th.
Your
Do you have any questions?
reference to my client, she has informed me that she is unemployed and wondering if she's able to do some type of community service in order to make the payment for this particular case.
Yeah, give me 1 second. Okay, so we'll do 18 hours. 18 hours of community service.
Yes.
And you'll have 2 weeks to do that. I
Yes.
can give you a phone number, just let me know when you're ready, who you need to call to get your community service set up.
Yes, ma'am. I'm grabbing a pen now. I'm ready for the number.
Okay, the number is 313-965-8130. And the lady's name is Miss Green. That's who you're gonna speak with to get your community service set up.
Yes, ma'am.
Your next date, you gotta come back to court just to confirm that you've completed the community service. That would be July 25th at 8:35.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, any questions?
No.
You are all set. Am I pronouncing it correctly?
And Your Honor, I'm sorry, in reference to Prosecutor Horn, I need to speak with her in reference to Mr. Christopher Davis.
All right, before you do that, Ms. Horn, what are we doing with Mr. Bassant's client?
Okay.
Where is Mr. Basant? I thought that, oh, Dunn, on Dunn. Okay, he's gonna make a motion, Your Honor.
That's correct. Oh.
And Mr. Petway, did Miss Rucker show up today?
Miss Rucker, a defendant? No, no.
Oh, well, we can let our people go. This was the jury trial for tomorrow. He has a jury trial too. It was two set. But
we let the officer for Rucker, we let them go.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. I wasn't sure because that was the one I thought was, you know.
Okay. Well. I might have to wait for Mr.
And Your Honor, it looks like it's going to be a dismissal.
All right, I think I'm gonna, we can call it. I just gotta wait for. I gotta wait for Mr. Bradley to come back, but we can call it.
Okay, thank you.
So we'll do Craig Dunn. One moment. Okay, why don't I see this on the docket? Oh, I see it, okay. All right, this is the People versus Craig Dunn, ticket number U57626220, count one, indecent and obscene. I guess exposure, I'm assuming that's what it is. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with the People.
Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit.
And good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Kevin Bassant, P71061, on behalf of Mr. Craig Dunn, who's present in my office and sitting to my right, Your Honor.
Say your name, sir.
Craig Stephen Dunn.
All right, so this is set for a final pretrial. We're set for a jury trial tomorrow. What are we doing?
And Judge, oh, well, I'll let
No,
the
go
people-
ahead. You can proceed.
Okay, Judge, today is the daytime schedule for final conference, Judge. We were prepared to proceed to trial, which is set tomorrow. From my understanding, the officer on this particular case, Officer Tristan Moore, was subpoenaed to be present today, Judge, for us to decide to move forward tomorrow. That officer has not appeared. I don't believe that there's any good cause for his failure to appear. And for those reasons, Your Honor, defense counsel will be moving for a dismissal at this time, Judge.
And no objection, Your Honor.
Okay, so the matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Dunn. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Vincent. So no jury trial tomorrow.
Correct, Your Honor, on either matter.
Okay, great.
Oh,
And
lady.
then I think Ms. Irby needs to speak with you concerning Christopher Davis.
Yes, I believe so, Your Honor.
Christopher Davis.
And Jermaine Davis.
Yes, and Jermaine Davis as well.
Okay, I'm ready.